Thank you for joining. My name is Trey Mozagemba. I'm the AI and Cloud Product Manager for cPacket Networks. And today we're going to be talking about what role does AI play in today's modern hybrid cloud IT infrastructures. Quite the mouthful. As I was going through the slides this morning, I realized I'm going to be nowhere near 10 minutes. So I guess what I'll say is you're welcome. So when we talk about network observability, and you'll hear me use this word a lot throughout the presentation, I want to explain what we really mean. So observability is all about the what, when, where, and why an incident took place in your network. So you can think about things like latency, connectivity, quality, all of the KPIs, and really you can think about observability as the set of tools that you have at your disposal to understand what and when and where and why something is happening in your network. So when I say observability, that's what I mean today. So we always start the conversation at the packet broker layer. So our broker layer is all about packet acquisition and aggregation. And our packet broker actually has the ability to go up to 400 gigabits per second at line rate with burst detection on every single port. In fact, all of our ports are actually backed by ASICs and FPGAs. So we're able to really process packets with absolutely minimal latency to get you real-time packet analysis as fast as possible and reliable delivery to your tool sets. We talk about packet capture. This is really a critical part of our entire portfolio, and we have the ability to go up to 200 gigabits per second sustained capture with our packet capture platform, which is our C-Store platform, and we have the ability to do over 1 million session analytics per second, which is incredibly powerful stuff. So once you've captured all of this data, the question is, what are you going to do with this captured data? And so cPacket has our own analytics generation engine built in, which offers unified management and control. And we do this through an integration with our cClear product, which offers a Grafana instance. So you're able to drill into incidents and KPIs in real time, anything you can glean from a network packet, whether that's latency between SYNs and syntax, hop by hop analysis, round trip time, top talkers, zero windows, anything you can glean from a network packet, we're able to surface and provide that using our Grafana interface. And lastly, what we're really here to talk about today is our AI Insights cPacket AI platform. It's our brand new product that's launching later this year. And so our cPacket AI platform it's all powered by the packet metadata, which is coming from our packet capture appliance. And all of these anomalies are based on pure packet grade telemetry. So this is anomaly detection. You can think about things like misconfigured servers, a load balancer that's having an issue, a DDoS attack. Anything that we can surface and glean from a network packet, we have models that are built to support and actually do this detection in real time and surface this to NetOps and SecOps users. So at cPacket, we'd like to talk about the 3 Ps. It's packets, precision, and performance. So we talk about packets. As you can imagine, given the company name, we care a lot about packets here at cPacket. But we can do things like characterizing spikes in latency, abnormal round trip time, and hop-by-hop analysis. And then we get to precision, which is all about microburst detection and the ability to timestamp with nanosecond grade accuracy. And this is a really big differentiator for our financial customers and customers in the healthcare sectors. Really the ability to do all of this with absolute precision and again, nanosecond grade timestamping. And when it comes to our performance, I've talked a lot about speeds and feeds. We do 400 gigabits per second on our packet broker today, working on 800 gigabits per second. And we do 200 gigabits per second on our packet capture appliance, working up to 400 gigabits per second in the future. And this is all about maximizing the performance, again, ASICs and FPGAs behind every port, and the ability to really make a difference in your network with these types of characterizations. So in the world of AI-based observability, the one who has the best data wins. And as I've been listening to different sessions today, everyone can agree on one thing. It's the quality of the AI output is going to equal the quality of the AI input. And at cPacket, packets are inherently expensive to acquire, but that doesn't mean you should shy away from it. Really, if you want to have a really powerful AI-based strategy and solution with your network, packet-grade telemetry is the ultimate source, the richest form of network telemetry that is available in the space today. And so inherently at cPacket, because we capture all of these packets in real time at 200 gigabits per second per box, cPacket is the one that wins because we have the best data. And I firmly believe that. Again, you can go back to any of these sessions today. AI outputs are equal to AI inputs. And I think this is really something that we can capitalize on. So we start at the bottom of the pyramid here, and we're talking about trillions of network packets traversing your network daily. And then we work that into tens of billions of sessions. So how do you have actionable insights? How do you actually glean valuable info on this? cPacket AI, our new product offering. We at cPacket, we are able to do things, and rather than the alert fatigue that's offered by many other systems, when you have 2 to 4, 6,000 alerts that are firing, and so where do you start troubleshooting? Where do you find the needle in the haystack with 6,000 alerts? It's a great question. But our philosophy is all about surfacing a handful of relevant and actionable insights for NetOps and SecOps users to make the troubleshooting and the characterization of their network as seamless as possible. And in this example, we have a DDoS attack that's in progress, and you can see we have a start time, a last incident time, an impact, that's an impact score, and also the periodicity of this type of incident. So that's just one example of the many insights that we're able to generate with cPacket AI. And again, it's distilling trillions of packets down to 5, 6, 7 actionable insights per day for NetOps and SecOps users. So I already mentioned it, but really our use cases, our insight generation is based on 2 different categories. So NetOps users, in this example, it's high load on a public demo server. You could think about a misconfigured server, a non-responsive server. These are the types of incidents that would be relevant for a NetOps user. And for our SecOps teams, we have things like exfiltration. And exfiltration is a really interesting example because you can have someone send out 50 gigs of data in a couple of minutes on your network, which is very easy to detect with traditional tools. But what's unique about what we do in exfiltration, as an example, is you can have a bad actor who's exfiltrating a very, very tiny amount of data over a very long period of time, even longer than a day, perhaps. So with our detection and our models that we've created in-house, we're able to do all of this detection in real time and alert customers to the most relevant, actionable insights that are taking place on their network per day. Other examples of SecOps use cases might be DDoS attacks, internal and external horizontal scanners. These are the types of things that are relevant for SecOps users. Another interesting thing with our product is we have a built-in relevance engine. So you can basically tell the system if you're a NetOps or a SecOps user, and then as you get insights, we have a feedback mechanism so you can say whether or not a incident is actually useful to you or not. And so with all of these AI tools, it's all a matter of trust but verify. And so what our tool enables you to do is actually go look at the incidents, drill down in our Grafana user interface, and you can validate with your own 2 eyes that this incident is actually relevant and happening in your network today. So again, trust but verify is definitely a key theme with AI moving forward. We also offer an LLM interface built into the product. So we're actually using Anthropic's product Claude AI for our LLM generative conversational assistant. And so really, this tool is your AI observability companion. It's what enables you to have a meaningful conversation with an AI agent. But we have all of these insights that are spanning a really wide variety of different network incidents and issues. And our conversational assistant makes this all seamless by making it very easy to drill down and understand more about what's really happening in your network. So with cPacket AI, the future is now. The product's actually coming in the second half of this year. And you get an example of the user interface there. We have a card-based interface for different insights. And we also have intelligent prioritization. So again, back to the idea of what's relevant to you. You can understand what's happening in your network with contextual reference, whether you're a NetOps or a SecOps user, and you can get that insight immediately. So again, I promised I would keep it less than 10 minutes, and I appreciate your time today. Our booth is right at the front, right when you walk through the front door, or the first booth right there to the right. So I encourage you to stop by to get a demo or to learn more about our system. Thank you very much.